the Manhyia Palace Museum, I would like to welcome all of you to Kumasi. For those who haven't been here before, we will say a big welcome, but for those who are here, it's also like your home. The ceremony this morning is very simple. We've had discussions in Accra with Madam, and then the co-conspirator here, and we agreed to work together on very pertinent issues to do with the past, but also the present. And so this memorandum of understanding is between the Manhyia Palace Museum and the Justice and Repair. It comes about months, almost a year, after we successfully negotiated for the return of objects of antiquity, 200-year-old objects that were at the British Museum and also at the Victoria and Albert Museum. We had been talking about these objects. We've been negotiating for these objects half a century ago. But luckily last year, we were able to make a breakthrough, and the objects are here at the museum. I'm sure you have the opportunity to see them when we're done with this simple ceremony. It was in the light of that I think we got motivated, your organization, that is the Justice and Repair, that we're not only talking about these issues, but at least attempts have been made, and some objects are now here instead of there. So it's in this light that we agreed we will go further than just the objects coming home and talking about them, but what we can do in respect of others, whether we're talking of restitution or reparation. So it's good to see all of you here, and then for us to do this simple signing ceremony. Yvonne, if you want to say some few words.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you for the warm welcome to Manhyia. I'm here in the company of my strong team from the United States. I will start from the back. I see Mr. Cam Howard over there, Emmanuel Ayola, Isaac Benchi, Andreas Robinson, Kimberly Collins, Nana Sapon, Michael Harvey, Dr. Ahmed Bugre, my partner in crime, Godfrey Odongo, and Miss Robin Rue Simmons. Who else? Who have I missed? I haven't missed anyone. Collectively, we represent a major part of the movement for reparations and restitution. And I sit here proudly as a daughter of Asante land and a direct descendant of Nanaya Asantua. This is a full circle moment for me when I read of Mr. Jimanjia's tireless efforts to take back our stolen property from the British. It triggers something in me. I guess my ancestors were calling that we should not leave it to what we have been able to recoup, but we should tirelessly advocate to get all of it back if we can, and in the process, educate people about the history, what we're taking back, create narratives, and just memorialize the restitution of our cultural heritage and our cultural property. So in conversations with my co-executive council member, Godfrey Odongo, and my partner in crime for the last decade in our tireless human rights efforts, we thought it wise to enter into this partnership with Manhyia and the Palace to embark on an education, a memorialization, and an advocacy campaign. First, to educate about the ones that have been returned. I'm sure a lot of people don't know what they are, the cultural significance, what it looks like, to create a repository of what we have and what we have outstanding from wherever it is in the world. And then to include or elevate the restitution of cultural property in this reparatory justice movement as a significant element. And it gives me so much pride to be sitting here today as a daughter of this soil, to be involved in this work. So thank you to my core team of soldiers who are here with me. These people may look ordinary, but they are fearless fighters in the movement to secure reparations for Africans and people of African descent. So thank you, and thank you for this honor. Okay.
Elections Manager and Registrar, Gordon Frimpong. We have the girls at the back, Loretta and Sheena. We have Sammy here, and then we have the others. So thank you for coming, and
We'll have a tour of the...
There you have a tour of the museum, and you'll see some of the objects that have been returned. So far, 32. We've received 28 more from South Africa not long ago, and we hope that by the end of the year, we are at the final stages of negotiating for others. So hopefully it will go well, as these ones went well. So we'll have a small light refreshment. After that, we do the tour.
Okay.